Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a show and tell on DivasWigs. The links and everything will be down in the description box for your convenience, but I know for a fact it's 22 inches. I believe it's body weight maybe, but this is the hair. And if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. And while you're at it, subscribe to my channel. Also, while you're at it, turn my post notifications on. Also, while you're at it, go on Instagram and follow my lash page if you like these lashes. Peridot Looks, that's the name. All right? All right.
Just wanna jump on you, just wanna wave on you, just wanna take off all my clothes and expose on you. I wanna whine on you, jump in a band on you.
So you guys, this is from DivasWigs. This is the box, and oh my gosh, it is textured. So this is what comes in. It comes in this nice little black Swiss. Anyway, so this is a wig cap. You have a brush, and we have a manual which shows you how to take care of the hair, and this is so descriptive and so helpful. I love it. It is a perfect addition.
I figured out what these things are. We have these like hook things that hook onto each other, the inside of the wig. So if you need an elastic band, this is what that is. You just hook it on and hook it on, and that's interesting.
So of course we got to do this shed test, and about like 1 and 2 shreds came out. Anyway, so the knots are pre-plucked. Oh my gosh, look at this. It also has 2 combs at the side, 1 at the dome, 1 at the back, as well as the adjustable straps. So this is me first putting on the wig, and
oh, what? I can go outside just like this. What are you saying right now? I went ahead and tried this out. So instead of using the adjustable straps in the back, I'm gonna try and use this. I think she might wear this as a glueless, because this is too cute. Okay, let's get into this hairline. Hold on. I didn't even cut the lace yet, y'all.
so I'm just going to put this hair in a ponytail, and I'm going to start to cut the lace to as close as possible. So that's just what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut as close to the hairline as possible because I don't want any extra lace to show. So I almost forgot to tint the wig cap, so I'm just gonna do that and put the wig right back on my head. And next, what are we gonna do? What is she gonna do?
I don't think I'm gonna glue this hair down, cause I don't think so. I don't think so. Where's the lace at? Where is it?
Yes.
So I'm just going to continue flat ironing just to mold way that I want the hair to go, and I'm gonna pull out my baby hairs and just continue to mold it down until I feel like it's flat. And then I'm gonna go in with my mousse. Any mousse works, honestly. This is just from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna pull out my baby hairs and apply as much as you need, and I'm just going to sculpt the hair, and then I'm gonna let it sit. So I went ahead and cut my baby hairs, and I'm just going to put this on and take it off. It was about like 7 minutes later, or until it's dry, and I'm just going to cut this wrap off. And magic. So there's like a little bald spot, so what I'm just going to do is take an eyebrow spoolie and some jet black color, and I'm just going to dip the eyebrow spoolie in and lightly just feather over. Oh my, who is texting me? Just feather over and just create, I guess, an artificial part, or one that looks more of a part, just, you know, to close these gaps up. Next, I'm going to take my olive oil heat protecting serum, a few drops, and I'm just going to pull it all over my head, and we're about to get ready to curl this hair.
So while I wait for my curling iron to heat up, I'm going to take my Got to Be Glued Blasting Free Spray and just spray it up here. Because I used some mousse, but I don't know about y'all, but I like that hard look. So I'm going to just go in. Again, I do not need to worry about the hairline because I didn't glue this down. So you don't gotta do this because this does make your hair hard. So some people don't do this, but I'm just going to set this again. Put my head tie on. Come back when I think that's dry.
So now that I finished coloring my hair, I'm going to go in with my olive oil spray and just spray that all over just to make these curls look more juicy, and then we're finito.
This is supposed to be 22 inches. Now, I don't know if you guys know, I'm about 5'3". So curl, this stops right here. But 22 inches on me is supposed to fall somewhere right here. So let me see what happens when I stretch it. When I stretch it, it falls down here. It is a bit on the thinner side, although it does say it is 150 density. Like, see this? I don't like that on the ends of my hair, so I might end up cutting it. But this is the hair. Ooh, child, I love it. I added my layers and I'm feeling real bouncy. I love it so much. And it is an undetectable Swiss lace, I believe. It's giving me that, what's that little girl name? Not Mary Poppins, but that little girl. You know, the little girl with the, this girl that be like that with her little curls. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think of this hair down in the comment section down below, because this is my first time trying a glueless. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So subscribe so subscribe so that I can see you guys in my next video. Okay, quit playing with me. Turn my post notifications on. Do that too. What's the word? Hold on, who that? Who that? Who this? Who that? Oh, okay.